Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Oscar Island Style Cooking. Today, island-style tomato stew chicken is a delicious and flavorful dish that combines chicken with a rich tomato-based sauce, often seasoned with various spices and herbs. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients. The complete list of ingredients are in the description. For the chicken. 4 to 6 chicken thighs or drumsticks, you can use bone-in or boneless. Seasoning: salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. For the tomato sauce. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 3 to 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes or 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes, chopped. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 2 better than bouillon, chicken-based. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, optional or adjust for spiciness. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Seasoning: salt and pepper, to taste. 1 can of coconut milk. 1 cup chicken broth or water. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Cooked rice or bread for serving. Instructions. Season the chicken pieces with seasoning: salt and pepper. In a large, deep skillet or pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until browned on all sides. You may need to do this in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil if needed. Add the chopped onions and garlic and sauté for a few minutes until the onions are soft and translucent. Add the diced bell peppers and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until they begin to soften. Stir in the tomato paste, pepper, ground coriander, ground cumin, ground ginger, dried thyme, salt, and pepper, better than bouillon, oregano. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to toast the spices and develop flavor. Add the can of coconut milk and stir. Add the diced tomatoes, with their juice, to the skillet and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the mixture to thicken slightly. Return the browned chicken to the skillet and pour in the chicken broth or water. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with more salt, pepper, or cayenne pepper if needed to suit your preference. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve the island-style tomato stew chicken over cooked rice or with crusty bread to soak up the delicious sauce. This island-style tomato chicken recipe is just a starting point, and you can customize it by adding your favorite vegetables or adjusting the spice level to your taste. Enjoy your flavorful African-inspired, island-style tomato stew chicken dish. Oscar Island Style. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.